My name is Matthias, I'm 19 years old and this is my story. Back in the day I was skinny, I only weighed around 130 pounds, but one day I decided to change. First I could barely lift my own body weight. I couldn't do that many push-ups and not even one single pull-up. Even though it seemed impossible for me to improve myself and get stronger, I always stayed positive and I kept working hard. I did it because I had a dream of becoming a better version of myself and help others to do the same. There was times where I wanted to quit, times where I started to talk myself out of it, but I never gave up. Every day I kept pushing, every day I kept working on my dream. I believed in myself and in my vision. And then suddenly my dream was becoming a reality. I started to grow on YouTube. What once seemed impossible was now happening right in front of my eyes. Looking back, had I quit back then, this opportunity that I have right now would never have been an opportunity. So guys, don't quit. Don't ever quit. Keep striving because you can do it. If you believe that you can do something, don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. Now it's your turn. It's your turn to make your dreams become a reality. Maybe it's not going to be easy, but it's going to be worth it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know I haven't been uploading for 3 months and I'm sorry guys, but I'm back and making videos now. There will be a new video out on Wednesday, so stay tuned for that. Make sure to drop a like on this video and subscribe for more videos and share it with a friend. And yeah, have an awesome day guys. Thank you for staying to the end of this video and thank you for still watching me. Bye bye.